Hello everyone on the Food My Dream channel. Today we're going to prepare an incredibly delicious chicken breast in my favorite marinade, which is perfect for croissants, sandwiches, and shawarma. For the marinade, we'll be using garlic, sour cream, mustard, ground pepper, and coarse salt, as well as your favorite spice blend, which I highly recommend adding smoked pepper to. The garlic should be pressed or finely chopped, then add sour cream, salt, pepper, mustard, and spices. Mix everything thoroughly and set aside. Now let's prepare the chicken breast. Take a fork and pierce the entire breast with it, then make shallow cuts up to 1 centimeter along the breast with a sharp knife. The meat is now ready for the next step. Take our prepared marinade mixture and thoroughly coat both sides of the breast with it. Then let the meat marinate in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Place the meat in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes, until it becomes golden brown and develops a crispy crust. Remove the cooked breast from the oven and let it cool slightly. Then slice it into portions and serve. Chicken breast in my marinade is incredibly delicious, juicy, and fragrant, as well as very versatile, ideal for any dish. I really hope you enjoy this recipe and give it a try.